28, day 28. This is day 28. Today we're going to take some inspiration from yesterday. Yesterday we used watermelon. Today we're going to do honeydew. So honeydew contains a lot of water. This smoothie thus may not need a full pint of water. We're also going to use mint. We're going to mint bomb this thing. So in you go. We have some peaches. And I'm going to throw a little bit of water just because. Maybe half a pint. Let's start there. And now we blend. Just like with the previous smoothie, I tend to underblend this one because it's kind of like a honeydew colada. Wowza, that smells delicious. Heck yeah. Yum.